Today we're leaving Los Angeles to go to Palm Springs and then Las Vegas and Arizona in the end. 2 hours. We've arrived in Palm Springs. Drove 2 hours and actually the drive wasn't too bad. It went so quick. Cookie Monster and also the bubblegum, please. They're both blue. Hopefully my lips don't turn blue. This is where Lisa took one of her flamingo pictures. So close. So I just did an outfit change and now we're at a place called Pioneer Town. It's so cold, guys. It's so cold. Here. It's so cold. But the sunset is so pretty today. Look at the clouds. I can't believe people pay 100 USD to go to Joshua Tree National Park when there is random Joshua trees everywhere. Airbnb. This is our Airbnb for tonight and it's literally in the middle of the desert. Oh, it's so cold. Welcome, Kwan. Okay, so this is our Airbnb for tonight. It's so cute. Wow, this is literally the sunset right here. The toilet. Wow. Whoa, this is a pretty nice toilet. Nice. The view outside. Full body mirror. I am so cold. It's so cold. We literally have to plan what we need to get. My cheese. This is our suitcase situation. We have 4 suitcases in the back. 4 suitcases in the back. Because this car is super big. It's so cool. Target. Let's see how cold it is right now. Feels like -1. Okay, so it says it's 8 degrees, but it says feels like -1 because there's wind and I'm in shorts. Oh my gosh, wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour, making the temperature feel like -1. You think the desert would be hot, but it's cold. It's cold. It's colder than Los Angeles. And now we're gonna rest a bit and then we're not sure whether to go for dinner or not because we're not that hungry, but we'll decide later. Feels like -2, but I'm gonna go outside because apparently there's a lot of stars. Oh my god, it's scary. Oh my gosh. No way, guys. Oh my gosh. Wait, I don't think you guys can see it. There's so many stars tonight. cafe that is like in the desert, in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, that's where we're going to go first, but it's so windy today. In America, this is called biscuits. In England, it's called a scone. This is American mayo. Guys, it says feels like -5. We were out here filling up the petrol and it was freezing because it's so windy. Who knew this place would be so cold? Okay, now we're going to drive around 4 hours to Las Vegas. Off we go. Road trip. We went from the desert to now snowy mountains. And it's -10, feels like. We finally arrived in Las Vegas, guys. And I don't know why the clouds are all here now, so it looks really gloomy. But this side it's really blue. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. We just checked in and now we're going to walk to all the hotels over on that side. This is New York, New York. Massive kisses and Reese's. Vegas casinos are so different to Macau because everyone can literally walk through the casino, even children. And I can even record right now. In Macau, if they see me with a camera or even a phone, they just tell me to stop recording or delete it like ASAP. Lobster risotto, truffle mac and cheese. Oh my gosh, this looks so good! Oh, barbecue pork ribs. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm gonna be eating so good tonight. That's so good, pork belly. Oh my gosh, I can't wait, guys. Ah! Okay, dessert. Let's see the dessert. Oh, wow. Oh, s'mores. It looks really ugly, but this is my first portion of the night. This is my second portion, which is all crab and then some veggies in the middle. the next day already and it is 6 a.m. We're starting the day really early today because we have a lot of places to go. First place, we're going to the Valley of Fire, which is only around 1 hour away from Las Vegas. And then after the Valley of Fire, we have a really long journey. We're driving to Arizona to visit the canyon, the Antelope Canyon, and then also Horseshoe Bend. So that's going to be fun. Hopefully I can survive driving around 6 hours, I think. But yeah, I can do it. It's only 1 hour 9 minutes. We're trying to find the place for the lookout. We don't know where it is. This hill is too steep and we're too scared to go up. So we're gonna have a look over here. The road is over here. We went up the wrong mountain. This is not a hill. This is a mountain. That's the Valley of Fire. Okay, now we've taken a lot of pictures, we're gonna head off now. Guys, I drove 6 hours and we're in Arizona in a different time zone now. Yay! Bye bye. I've already driven 6 hours and this is the last stretch for the final destination. It's already 2:03. Okay, 23 minutes guys, 23 minutes. And we have to be there by 2:30. So we'll be there by 2:26. Oh my god. Okay, time to go. Okay, 2:27. We can make it, guys. Whoa. Just because I only just came out of the junction. It's okay. 2:27, 22 minutes, we can do it. We've made it! We arrived! And I'm recording with my phone because we're not able to... Wait, I don't think we can actually record anything when we get to the lower cantaloupe, but I think we're allowed to take pictures. We're allowed is our phones and also a camera, so I brought my phone and my camera, but I didn't bring my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Yeah, and now we're just waiting for the tour for 3 p.m. Yay! We made it! We're going to enter the canyon now, and then when I enter the canyon, I can't record anymore. We're going to Horseshoe Bend now. We have to walk 20 minutes to get there. The sky's not too nice over there. Oh my gosh. No way. This is crazy. This is so crazy. Whoa. Whoa. That's seriously crazy. What? What? I'm gonna take some pictures now. Literally feels so dangerous right now. I'm literally right next to the edge, guys. Look. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna put you guys over the edge. Wow. Okay, back over here. These rocks, like, I don't know when it's gonna fall, like, honestly. So I'm gonna leave now. It's so scary. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's snowing. Can you guys see it? It's literally so cold that I can't believe it's snowing. It's not even raining, it's literally snowing. So I'm flying to New York tomorrow and the forecast says it's snowing there too. This is our dinner for tonight. We're eating Domino's because we haven't had Domino's. Because we haven't had Domino's. Because we haven't had Domino's for so long since England, because Hong Kong doesn't have it. So we have a chicken barbecue pizza and also a barbecue chicken wings. Yay! I haven't had Domino's in so long. I'm so happy. Oh my god. It's the spot. Now we're gonna drive 5 hours back to Las Vegas and then we're gonna return the car and then tomorrow we'll be heading to New York. Drive in this. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cold. 5 hours back to Las Vegas